Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.5, Problem 12. This is Section 2.5, Problem 12. It says divide the fractions, and we have 1/5 over 3/7. So this is a complex fraction. You have a fraction over a fraction. It looks bad, but it really just means 1/5 divided by 3/7. What you have is the top fraction divided by the bottom fraction. So, as with any fraction division, what I will do is leave the first fraction the way it is. 1/5 will stay the way it is. I will change the division to a multiply, and then I will invert the second fraction, which means just flip it. The denominator was 7, it comes up to the numerator, and the numerator was 3, it goes down to the denominator. And now you just multiply the way you would any two fractions. You multiply top times top, or numerator times numerator. You'd have 1 times 7 in this case, which is 7. And then in the bottom, denominator times denominator, you'd have 5 times 3, which is 15. And now when you have the answer, you want to see if it will reduce. You want to look for any numbers you can that will divide into both 7 and 15 evenly. And if you try, you'll see that there are no numbers that divide into 7 and 15 evenly. So that would be the final answer. The final answer in its most reduced form is 7/15.